Hello, my name is Ellie from Seaford MG, and today I'm going to be showing you around this MG ZS EV. With an 163 electric mile range, this car in particular has only done 5,525. This is also the exclusive model, so it's the top of the range. So from the interior of the car, you'll notice it's got the leather interior and also the panoramic opening sunroof. And over here you've also got the multi-function steering wheel and the touchscreen there, which features navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plenty more features as well, including heated front seats. Coming round to the back of the vehicle as well, this car benefits from reversing camera and reversing sensors. This car will be featured with the remaining of the manufacturer's warranty. If you do have any questions or would like to book a viewing or a test drive on the vehicle, please feel free to get in contact or visit our website. You can also give us a call on 01323 898818.